Ala! Ayan na. One, two.
You never took it out.
Oh yeah? Umutot ka pa! Inututan mo si Jing! Morning, R. I'm ready.
Can't see you. The GoPro. The GoPro.
You gonna go, kid?
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. Drive safe, okay?
Kaming tatlo.
Ready?
Sila ni Mama.
Okay, let's go.
Yung mama ko.
Over here.
Mag-bet sila. Dali mo kaya? Pilitin mo.
Natatakot sa aeroplane.
Sino mag-drive? Who's gonna drive?
Ola drive in King.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, let's go.
I've never tried. As long as you have life insurance.
I had to go.
Dali mo.
Meron kayong mga life insurance ako mag
Kay Kim yan.
Walang wood. Hindi ako makatokto.
Ayun o, wood
Suot ng chinelas.
Why are you wearing those?
Yun ang chinelas.
Magsapatos ka.
Meron ako chinelas sa ano. Nasaan yung ano ko? Ah, yan pala.
Lagi curly. Kasi with Kim, she's curly. She has curly hair.
Di bagay sa kanya. Bagay sa kanya yung curly hair.
But it takes longer to manage curly hair.
Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Let's do this. Let's do this. Ano, okay na? We're gonna go to the 120 or 140? Asa, 140 pare? 120. 120 na lang.
120 lang.
It's weird. Oh. It looks like that.
Dala mo na yung phone ko? Ay, sakit pa na yung phone ko.
Ilang car tayo? Oh yeah. Tatlo?
Ah, tatlong sasakyan. Mga bata, yun sa amin. Kaya si Chansey, the kids is in the van, so you're gonna go with me.
Kuya, kaya ba na misan yun?
Ha?
Kaya ba na misan yun?
Oh, kaya?
Kaya.
Ayan, kaya. Who's gonna go here?
Pag hindi,
Mommy gonna go front. Why?
we're gonna stand in front.
Yeah. Yeah. Ako isasado ko.
Full tank ka ba?
Magpapalagay mo na full tank ba kayo? Full tank? Palagay mo na tayo ng gas.
Palagyan natin.
Saan pare? May madadaanan tayong ano doon, gasoline station.
Sa Costco.
Ay, di, wag na sa Costco.
Doon, mas mabilis mo.
Mapapila doon eh.
Sa Mr. Quick na lang tayo. Lalayo ka pa.
Pag mayroon tayong madaanan, yun, doon na tayo magpagas. Oh, doon na lang. Yeah. Ah,
Ayaw mo doon, Kim?
okay. Ingat.
Let's go, guys!
Okay, ready? Let's go, guys! Saan tayo papunta, mga pare ko ay?
Hi, good morning.
Okay. Hi, vlog! Alright, guys. Papunta kami sa Yosemite. Let's go! R! Ready? You guys ready? Ready? Hi!
Hi, vlog.
Subscribe and follow.
Yeah, I'm gonna go first. And then they're gonna follow. You just follow us. Yeah. Because this one's gonna go just straight. 120.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. It's ready. Let's go. 1 hour and 18 minutes na lang papunta sa Yosemite National Park. Tulog. Ganda ng ano, view. Lapit na kami. 57 miles. Lapit. Doon si ano, si Yuli sa likod, saka si Louie. Yan sa likod sila. Let's Vesta Point. You see?
know what you told me to follow him.
Yeah.
You told me to follow you.
Oh
I
yeah.
was confused. I was like, who do I follow?
This is nice right here. Look at this. It's nice. Ah, si Jeng. Jeng, yun mo yung lake.
Okay. Okay.
Ganda dito pare ah. Pare oy, tatay ka yata dyan ah. Ang ganda oh. Sa baba.
Ganda.
May ano dyan ah. Si Godzilla. Si Godzilla. Si Louie nag ano na eh.
Manununo to lang.
Ba-
Late yan.
Tatay na eh. Tatatay.
Picturean kita.
Sawa na kayo yata sa lake, you know? Talino, tanungin mo si Ate Kat mo. Baka meron siyang dala. That's the lake. It's like a dam, like a water dam.
One down.
Yeah, water dam. It's big though. All the way in there. Yeah. But there's no there's no alligator, right?
No, no alligator.
No. Just go there. Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, just go. May time bomb. Someone kaka there. Watch out. Be careful. And parang pwede ka mag-hiking dyan eh. Hiking.
Hiking, no?
Oo. Ano te? Talon na te. Ba talaga si Marco? Look at Mark. Eh, may boat doon, no? May boat. Ha?
Nasaan yung ano mo?
May boat. Paibalaglag sa baba, no? Ano? Yeah.
Gusto mo mag-picture dar? Picture tayo, Sen. Ay, may nagkakag... Ay, bumaba na, no? Gagawin Disney princess.
Doon sa Florida, maraming crocodile eh.
Marami. Oh. Florida is the #1. There's a lot of crocs. Even the people is crocs, right?
The Florida man. No elevation.
No elevation.
I'm not used to. My ears are like.
Oh yeah. Because
Bakit?
there's no mountains.
Oh.
Yeah, in Florida it's like flat.
Swamp.
Yeah, swamp. So that's why like this is like this is your first time,
Yeah. So
right?
Like,
The environment
lot of
like this.
mountains here.
Yeah, it's a lot of mountains.
Because right now we're gonna go up the mountain.
more up.
Yeah.
Oh my
More up
gosh.
and then
My ears
yeah.
are gonna pop more.
Yeah.
Your ears are popping.
Just swallow your
Wow.
laway. You have water, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, just
water.
just drink water.
They're all moving.
No, si Clyde may sariling buhay kasi ito eh. May sariling mundo eh.
Ayaw nga ba?
Oo, sariling mundo yan eh.
Halika na, mas marami pa din sa taas.
Yeah. Ano na, we gonna go? Let's go. You guys ready?
Marami pa kayong makikita rin sa taas. Girl.
Wala mo makikita sa taas. Hilo na yung mga... So we'll go hiking.
I'm gonna pee. Guys ready? Let's go. Paikot-ikot.
Winding road next 8 months. La.
Slow vehicle.
Anong turn out?
Turnout yung ibig sabihin niya, yung parang yung hindi mo makita. Dito yung dito yung paikot-ikot. Sa baba, bangil. Pero mayroon pa nga ganito, yung iba, yung madadaanan daw natin walang rails na. So, mamaya. Oo. Wala. Zipline. Wala. Hindi, ano yan, kuryente.
Sa baba,
Oh, ito wala nang rail tinan mo.
Landahan, landahan.
Seriously, Dad, you
just
Look, watch.
the rose.
I know.
Dad.
I know, baby.
So, saan nakatingin?
I know. Pakita ba yung baba?
Pag-drive ka lang dyan.
Ay, nag-drive ako. Pakita ba yung baba?
Kuya, meron. Maganda yung kanila 360.
Yeah.
Hindi, 360 Kim. Yung inangat mo lahat, tapos
Makikita
nakikita yung
mo.
buong paligid.
Paligid. Ayan o.
Dad, you were on this road with the truck?
Yeah.
Tito Yuli. Tito Louie.
Si Kuya Louie?
Yeah,
Oo.
pupunta dito.
The truck?
Yeah, with the
Uh-huh.
truck.
Yeah. Scary,
Yeah.
That's possible?
Yeah, baby, but you have to drive.
Small.
Yeah, but
Baby.
you have to drive slowly though.
Some places are like worse than this, but this is like too narrow for the trucks.
He takes them too late or what?
Like early in the morning. When if you fall asleep, you're gonna go out there.
Well, look at the road.
Kita mo, Kim?
Allah!
Oh my God!
Dad.
You have to go back here?
Oh, but going down na is easier.
Let's just enjoy the ride and enjoy. Oh, sorry, I'm just scratching. Scratch. I'm gonna scratch like this. Of course, I'm gonna scratch my hands, right? Oh my goodness. Scratch my head again.
Next 6 miles.
Oh, look at that! Look at the sign. It's like a worm. Snake. Yeah.
Oh, it's 8 miles pala na ganito yung kalsada.
Like this. Whoa. Look at the other side.
You went like this on.
Oh, ha?
Upper Dam was nothing like this.
I thought it was.
Allah. Imagine a truck, driving a truck here.
Imagine makasalubong mo yun.
Oh, magkakasalubong talaga kayo. May dalawang truck na magkasalubong.
Look, he's taking a break.
Yeah.
I think that's the people earlier from the Vista
Oh,
Point.
yung mga babae.
Pipicture siguro sila dyan. Yeah, mataas na tayo.
Mataas na tayo.
Yes.
Good.
Look, we're gonna go up there.
Okay, Dad.
Yeah. Yes. Slow.
I would go on this road with the tiny smart car.
Si Papa ba nagdadrive sa Kuya Louie?
Si Tito Louie niya. Grabe pataas no? Wow. It's amazing how they make this road, huh?
Puro kayo na lang ito nagawa.
Galing ka na, Mark, no? Nag-ano lang sila, kwento-kwentuhan hanggang natapos. Tapos, oh yeah.
Nakikita mo sa Facebook ito yung
India, yeah.
Yeah, grabe din yun.
Oo, mas grabe doon.
Grabe naman yun.
Oo.
Tsaka hindi pa nga ano yun, Kim, semento.
Bangil na yun eh, bangil.
Talaga yung tinatawid nila.
Oo.
Ang dami nila dito.
Ang dami. Pila-pila sila.
Kahit sa taas ng ano, up there? Ng truck nila, may
2,000 feet.
Yeah.
O, 2,000.
Chance is gonna. Air's are gonna explode.
Look,
Like a
look,
camper van.
look, the car, the truck. See the truck?
That's a truck.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
a truck.
How is he doing that?
Oh, it's small.
Small na.
Wait, what did Tito Luby drive? A semi truck?
Yeah, semi-truck.
Oh, D.
Let's slow down.
Ah, semi yung gamit niya.
Oh.
Akala ko 18-wheeler.
18-wheeler nga, Kim. Semi is 18-wheeler. 18-wheeler. Mahaba. Kaya dandahan siya dito. Kasi tinan mo yung makasalubong mo, bus pa oh. May bus nga paparating oh. Ay yung camper. Kita nyo yung camper sa taas? Salubong natin yan.
How is this even a truck route?
I don't know. Yeah.
Anong i-deliver nila dun sa taas?
Soil, lupa.
Uy,
Yun ang dinideliver nila, lupa. Yung mga pag nagtanim ka ng mga halaman. Mm. Naano nyo na ba yung tenga nyo?
Add your line leader.
Yeah. You gotta go slow. Just enjoy the moment, guys. Enjoy the view. Look at the view. Yun naman yung view dun, mami. Ang galing.
Whoa.
Oh. Look at that guy. Look at that guy.
Yeah, I would ride that. Going downhill is.
yung camera nila
Nakalabas. Yeah. 360. La. Wala na yata eh. Yun lang yun eh. There's no rail, huh? Yeah, she's scared. And then Kim and Ola, especially Ola, she don't want it. She was like, "Daddy, look at your road. Pay attention." I was like, "I'm scratching."
She's like, oh, you're a pro. You're only using one hand.
Yeah. Yeah, shaking. Yeah, we're almost there though, like 30 minutes.
Did they?
30 minutes away. Yeah. You wanna pee?
Oh, if you do
Chansey,
that.
what about you? You gonna use the bathroom?
Gas station.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And if not, just pee in the wilderness.
Yeah. Around there's a lot of trees, so you can just hide there.
Nature's back.
Nature's,
I
yeah.
didn't leave my market.
Dito ka na nag-deliver?
Banda dyan.
Oh, malapit na pala.
Yung deliver namin niya.
Oh, tapos nag-i-stop ka lang dito?
Oo, stop lang.
Oh, mabuti nga mayroong ano dito, gasoline station.
Yeah.
Kala ko wala nang gasoline station.
Yung doon, may
Oo.
kainan doon eh.
Yun nga eh, nakindaanan natin.
Oo.
Kainan
Pero
yun?
medyo pricey doon.
Pricey doon.
I-stop na ako dati.
Mukhang pricey yata lahat dito pare. Kasi nandito na tayo sa bundok eh, out of nowhere. Pero mamaya mayroon siguro kainan doon
Meron doon.
Saka. Mayroon siguro.
Ay, dinaanan natin kay...
Yun nga yung kanina, mayroong kainan doon eh. Kanina.
Kakapisa na ako, sabi ko, puto sobrang init.
Ha?
Kakapisa na bibili ko.
Yeah.
Umiihi pa sila?
No, ay, natira si ate Mabi.
Ay ka.
Tara. Let's go.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Do you have a pass already?
No, not yet.
Okay, no worries. Just looking for the vehicle entry?
Yeah.
Okay, $35.
Okay.
Ano yung bus?
Thank you.
Can I get a map?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
I and then your receipt is your ticket.
Uh-huh.
It's good for 7 days. Gets you in and out of the park, so don't lose it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, friend.
So we're just gonna go straight?
Yeah, where are you headed?
We don't know. This is our first time.
Well, be welcome.
Uh-huh.
So if you don't know exactly where you're headed, I recommend stopping at the visitor center over here and talking to some of the intern rangers.
Okay.
It's a really big park.
Okay.
So if you don't know where you're going, you're going to be driving endlessly.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
I told ladies at the top. And now I got that taco smell.
Ma, I think the pass is like already having your receipt.
Mid-wars.
You know, yung...
Wow. Come on, guys. You know, may trip planning. I wanna look at the waterfall. I wanna go to Niagara Falls.
Punta tayo dun sa yung gusto nilang falls. Yun lang isa. Tapos para ano na. Para hindi tayo
What is giant? Si Kuya.
yun lang yung falls.
Kuya, we're here at Niagara Falls.
What's the lady said? He said, there's a something to restaurant out there or no? There's nothing, huh?
She didn't tell me.
Yeah. Where you guys wanna go? Waterfalls or?
There's
Cause it's a big park.
yeah
Yeah.
oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a big park.
Where are we?
So, where's that? It doesn't say like you're here or something.
That's what I'm looking for. Is this the welcoming center?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right. Okay.
Mapa. Dito kami. So, to go all the way. Oh, lucky. We're here.
We're here.
Yeah.
So we want to go to.
Where you guys wanna go? To the one right there? This one? So we're gonna go like. What is that? Like we're gonna go back? It's big. It's a big park.
Down to 6 is here.
Yeah, 6.
I guess Yosemite Valley.
Mm-hmm. Stick na yan, laking park to, man. Ano lang, nakakaligaw. So we're here, so we're gonna go straight out there, and then
This is here.
is that
Or is it this way?
maybe that way? So this is
No,
the end.
it's
Yeah,
this way.
oh, that way. Then we're gonna go to the
Keep going to here.
yeah, number 6,
Yeah.
the Yosemite Valley. Okay, let's go there.
Yeah, because it looks like it has like
Uh-huh.
just stuff like.
Wow.
Dad, look at the road.
Ah! Beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yo.
Wow. Sa sikat na El Capitan.
Can I go further?
Watch out, guys, huh, Mark?
Oh,
Look at that. Yung ano
this is
doon.
like sand. It's like
Yeah.
actual sand. Oh, there's a spot right there. Oh, I'm about to die. This is
Yun, doon. Ang galing, you know, yung mountain. See the mountain right there? Yeah. Ask Kyrie. Yeah. It's nice, guys. Doon, no? Waterfalls. Yeah. Yan yung sikat na nasa wallpaper ng MacBook Pro ko.
Ito ba yun?
Oh, yung El Capitan, yan oh, yung bundok doon oh. Ang ganda. Yeah. Yan yung sikat na ano, mountain, El Capitan.
Para dito maganda kuha.
Oh, yeah, dyan na tunnel.
Tunnel is cool.
Yeah, that's the famous mountain right there, Chansey. You see it right here. The mountain all the way under. It's nice. See right there. See here. Right there. Oh, careful. Right there.
Oh.
Yeah. That's nice, huh? Oh, sinong gustong tumae? Wow. Kita mo yung bundok.
Kasama ko.
Be careful, guys.
Nakakabingi dyan.
Yeah. Mataas na tayo eh.
Nabingi ka ba?
Oo. Mataas yung elevation dito eh. Hey, watch out, Kyrie, ha? Oh. I think the waterfalls are downstairs. Down there. Yeah. The waterfalls. We almost there. Yeah. 2 hours. Lucky Kim, no? Kita mo yung ano, mountain na yan doon, no? Ang ganda. Give me the picturean mo sila, Kim. Yeah. Paano mo kay Kim? Picturean, ay si Mark. Mark, picturean mo sila, Mark. Lagay mo muna. Picturean mo muna. Ang ganda, no, pare, oy.
Pare, parang drone to.
Parang drone. Oh, yeah, yung maganda. Yung ano. Hee!
Hi, Tiola.
Hi.
Kyrie.
Ito yung bundok doon, pare. Oh, ang galing yung kalbo. Oh, ang ganda. Yan yung ano wallpaper ng MacBook Pro. Oh, El Capitan.
Okay. Parang akala mo malaki. Parang hinihigop ako ng ano.
Mark. Tandaan ka dyan, Mark. Baka gumulong ka. Ha?
Parang hinihigop ako.
Hinigop ka sa baba? Bakit?
Parang umihigop ng ano.
Oh?
Parang hinihigop ako.
Ay, shit. Pare. Dadahan ka lang, pare. Huwag ka na dyan.
Ano, wala pang safety yan, no.
Oh. Holy shit.
Wait, tama na yan, wey.
Wala na, hanggang dito lang.
Parang sinusoy.
Diyan ka lang, Mark. Diyan ka lang, Mark. Diyan ka lang. Huwag ka na pumunta doon.
Ay, wag na dyan, pare.
Masyado ng ano dyan. Tirik dyan.
Ano meron sa ilalim da? Ano?
Parang ano yan eh. River yata yan. Uy, shit.
Yun na, inano ko eh.
Dalawa hakbang na nasa akin na butas.
That's scary, man.
Isa pa hindi naka-play.
Yeah.
Doon ka pa.
Hindi nga.
Okay na? Let's go.
Uy, ano yun, may daanan doon, pare.
May daanan doon. Pababa.
Tapos yung gilid niya parang running water.
Pwede kaya yata mag-trail dyan eh. Harness?
Dapat yan, may parachute ka, pare.
Parachute. Oh. Yeah. Tara. Let's.
Here's my slippers.
I got my shoes in the trunk. I didn't wear it.
Meron pa pare isa dito, yung sa Paradise, California.
Oo.
Pag pumunta ka roon, para siyang Utah.
Parang Utah?
Information niya.
Oh yeah? Kulay orange?
Kulay orange.
Yeah, yung ano. Yung bato. Tayo na, astig yun ah. Damn. Oh, take a picture.
Kaya makita mo sa dyan.
Yeah. Ganda no, no? Nandun, tateo. Tawid, tawid, tawid. Wala na, wala na. Wow, nice. Ang ganda. Ganda to, no? Ano? Look at that, guys, right there. Go right there. Now, Mark.
Kaya pare, picture ako kayo lahat. What's up, Joe?
Ay, tayo na meron. Bebe, watch out. It's a bee. It's only the bee. Oh, you have one too?
She never took it out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and then later on she took it out.
Ah, picture muna. Guys, look. Kay Louie.
Picture na tayo lahat dali. Halika dito. Lahat tayo?
What's that?
Yes, thank you, pare koy. Wow. You want a picture? There? Mark, wag ka sa gitna, Mark. Mami, gusto ang picture dito? Mark, Kyrie, get out in the street. Pa-picture gusto mo?
We were at the top right there.
Kyrie, take me a picture here. Mark. Dito. Diyan ano, yan ang bundok na yan, Mark. Kunin mo.
Camera to.
Camera. The mountain. Yeah. Like this. Go ahead. Nice. Galdeng. Ganda. How about you? You gonna go there?
I don't want, no.
Just real quick. Go real quick. Go. Catch. Right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. That's good right there. See, that's good. Here you go, Chansey. Coco, may picture ka na?
Naka-video nga eh.
Naka-video? Dito, videohan ka na rin. Videohan na rin.
Bakit nakapos na pinapanood ko video na.
Oh, dito nga yan. Maraming movie dito eh. Ginaganap eh.
Dito, yung gubat na yan.
Yung clip na yan, yung ganyan.
Yung
Oo.
sundalo na,
Bumaba dyan. Oh.
di, may helicopter, di ba?
Oh.
Nahulog sila dyan.
Dito.
Oo. Sira na.
Picturean mo sila. Guys, I'm gonna take picture. Yeah. Silang tatlo. Yung phone nila, Kim. Akin na. Ako na lang. Pop. Okay. I guess ready? Gagapang pa ako ha. 1, 2. Okay, at ito naman. 1, 2. Okay. That's nice.
Yours.
Huh?
Yours.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Okay. Oh shit.
Go.
Dapat dito sana sa ano eh, bundok eh. Let's go, Chansey.
Okay.
Wait.
Got it?
Send it to your mom.
Okay.
There you go. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Thank you.
Yay.
All right.
Solo ni Kuya.
Wow, that's nice. Ang ganda. Damn. Oh shit. Let's go. That's nice, man. Wow. Look at that. Mountain climbing, mountain climb ka dyan. Damn. Pang Instagram to ah. Woo. Watch out guys, watch out. Car. Watch out. Okay, let's go. Let's go guys. Kyrie, Mark. Ayaw mo, mame? Okay. Wow, daming tao. Puro Chinese. Ganda. Grabe. Ang ganda dito guys, ang ganda. Kaya worth it yung punta dito sa Yosemite talaga. Ang ganda ng mga view, ng mga rock formation. Amazing paano na-create yung ganun, no? Ganda. Ito yata Core Village. Ano? May kainan.
Oh, okay.
Pati ito,
Oh, walang ano.
Awani. Pati yung Yosemite Village na dinaan natin kanina, meron din.
Okay.
Yeah. Sige, tinan mo yun pare.
So pag andito tayo,
Tinan mo pare, ito yung trail. Magti-trail ka sa Yosemite Falls. Yeah.
nasa na yung force yan?
Nandiyan dito banda yata. Ito.
Oh,
Dito.
lower force.
Oh,
upper
yeah.
force.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yan yung magti-trail ka dyan. So yung kainan dito. Saan ba tayo? Nakalagay na. Okay.
So,
Tapos,
magdadrive tayo ulit, babalik tayo
Balik
ganun,
ulit.
tapos dire-diretso.
dire-diretso. Pwede rin kumanan tayo, no? Dito, saan may kainan?
Ito,
Ay, yeah, pababa.
Kerr Village.
Oh, Curly Village.
Magra-ride ka dito.
Yeah, right. Ay, laki pala nitong logo na to.
Ang laki niya.
Yun ba yung apps niya?
Wala eh, kaso ayaw gumana eh.
Ayaw mag-ano.
Huli ka na, akitin na natin.
Katan, tara.
Tara.
Tapos mo sila.
Ayaw nga mag-ano eh.
Ayaw mo, no? Let's go.
Tara.
Doon, lakitin natin.
Doon yung kainan, di ba, sa unahan?
Yeah.
Daanan natin kanina eh.
Yeah.
Yung
Yung
village.
Curry Village.
Curry Village.
Pati lahat ng
Maganda
lahat
yung pagbalik natin, gutom na tayo.
yeah.
May mga gift shop din.
Ah. Lahat ng village. Lahat ng village may kainan.
What are we doing?
Hmm?
Gonna walk?
Walk.
Asa na si Yuli.
Andun sila.
Ayun. Hindi inaantay din sila.
Oh, nag-restroom. Yeah. Malakas pa yung ihi.
Ano nga yan eh?
Ha?
Water dust.
Water mist. Or malakas pa yung ano eh, no?
Pwede na yan.
Baka lumalakas yan.
Pagka winter, tapos
Tuyo.
ano pa siya, yung bago pa, yung snow sa taas. Yun, magme-melt pa siya. Yun, malakas yan.
Tsaka sa kabila, kailangan talagang full bottle gear.
Oh yeah, doon. Kasi yung Yosemite Falls na pupuntahan sana natin, talaga malayo eh. Maglalakad tayo.
Kaya nga yung mga ano, di ba, pinagpupunta.
Oo, doon nagpupuntahan. Mag-hike. Yeah.
Pag nag-iinit yung bata ko.
Guys, ready?
Yes, tour guide.
Let's go. Let's go.
Because when you look around, we passed the place where we were taking pictures.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, oh, we went in a big loop.
Yeah. We just go around, huh? I'm like, man, we came here earlier.
Where's the restaurant?
Restaurant, we passed it. Yeah. Like the village. Curry Village. Yosemite Village, and there's 3 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we passed it already. I think that's the one that they have a lot of people. That's the one. I think that's the one of those.
Are we gonna eat?
Or if you guys not hungry, we just
Go back?
go back and then wait for, yeah. I'm gonna eat the leftover last night. Or in and out. I can go in and out. In and out. Let's go straight, guys. Straight. Wow, laki. Pare, ganito kaya kataas yung ano? Yung dagat ba tayo? Ganito kaya kalalim?
Oh.
Ganyan, hanggang dito? No? Puta, ang ano no, ang lalim no? Sipin mo ganyan.
Hindi ka na makaahon.
Oo, wala na.
Lumubog ka.
Ha?
6,000 feet tayo.
6,000 feet to no?
Yeah, above the sea.
Shit, you know.
So ganyan din kalalim yung ano.
Grabe siguro yung Titanic. Yan siguro na ano.
Kaya pala, ganun laki.
Oo.
Lumubog talaga na.
Oo, grabe ang taas. 6,000 feet. Pwede ba maligo dito? Hindi natin alam kung pwede maligo. Bahon na. Oh.
Hindi niya naman maramdaman na pa ako.
Just go straight, guys. Don't look straight only. Woo! That's a good exercise, man. Yeah. 1,000 steps. Yeah. Lose my weight. Lose 1 pound. I'm gonna eat again.
You gained 2 pounds.
Yeah, and gain 2 pounds. Hee. Doo doo doo. Look at that. Oh shit. Tik pa malaglag. How? Ha ha ha. Damn. Damn. That's right there. Yan na yun. This is it. Right there. That's the one right there. Oh yeah. May tao dun, oh.
Spider-Man.
That's right there.
How do you go there?
It's right there. Never mind.
Oh. They're going through there.
You think someone climbed there?
You do.
Some daredevil guy.
Guy who lives on the edge.
Yeah. Kuya, do you think you can climb up there?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh? Spider-Man?
Probably not.
Oh. Oh. Taas, no? Taas ko, no? Oh? Nandun ba? Maganda siguro to pag malakas yung agos, no? Yeah. Pag malakas yung agos ng tubig. Ang ganda siguro tingnan yun dyan sa taas na yun. Yun dyan.
Mas malakas pala pag spring.
Pag spring, oh, yan nga spring kasi kakaano lang ng snow, kakatunaw lang. Yeah.
Pag summer, ganyan siya.
Ano masabi mo sa waterfalls, Kim?
Mas malakas pa ihi ko.
Nalakas pa ihi ni Mark. Nalakas pa ihi ni Mark.
Sa spring lang to.
Yeah, sa spring lang. Pag spring dito maganda. Mayroon nga umakyat doon eh, yung may tao doon, oh. Ayun, meron din. Oh, may tao doon te kanina.
No, maakyat sila doon.
Ewan ko saan sila dumaan.
Dito, oh.
Dyan? Oh, yeah, nandun, oh. May tao nga doon, oh. May tao rin doon, oh. Doon sila umakyat.
Ayun pala.
Yeah. Doon sila umakyat. Yeah.
You can go there.
Oh, may mga tao doon, oh. There's a water right there.
No dirt.
Oh, really, Dad? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, really,
You
Father?
can see it. It's right there. Yeah. It's water right there.
I wanna go over there, look.
May tubig doon eh. May tubig. Oo, may tubig.
Let's go over there. Let's go over there.
Wanna go?
May tubig pa. Alam mo yung ano?
Let's go, guys.
For the Goon Squad's gonna go.
Let's go.
Are we gonna go? That's it? Wala tubig.
Ay na, doon sa Pilipinas, magsawa ka ng ganyang waterfalls. Dito, ano? Grabe. Ganda, pero mainit lang. Ang dami ng order natin, lahat yan sa atin. Yung nandyan yata ako. Beef?
One burrito.
Right here, just put it right here. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Tayo hawak ko. Yung ano, yung.
Wala na?
Tawak.
Ano ba to?
Put the burrito here.
Chicken. Ada beef.
Put
Yep. What? That's good? Yeah.
That's all of it?
Yeah.
Okay. You good?
Thank you.
Baby girl, do not wander off. Wander off.
Oh. Whee! Special delivery. Nasa,
Oh, kanino to?
beef.
The beef.
Beef. You got, who got beef?
I got a super one.
Beef.
Is there one that says it's with
Beef.
sour cream?
Oh yeah, here.
Kay Louie to isa.
Sour cream.
What is?
Beef.
Where's the super?
Sino pang beef?
Quesadilla.
Walang chicken?
This is chicken.
Ah, chick.
Hindi.
Where's?
Chicken na burrito.
Wait, what does this mean?
I think this one's mine.
So, ano pa paano how we do no?
chicken.
That's chicken? Oh yeah, ito yung ate.
What does this mean?
Ayan, may drawing.
That's beef.
No, but there's
Why is the brown sticker?
That means special kid.
Bear meat.
Sila ka.
Doon sa ano te? Pizza.
You had two burritos.
Yeah,
You
but
Who had the quesadilla?
I don't know. Who got the quesadilla?
Quesadilla.
What did you order, Ar? That's yours?
That's me, I forgot.
Chicken tayo, pero hindi naman lakas ng chicken.
Anong lasa?
Bear meat.
Anong lasa?
Beer.
Oh. Buti kinuha mo yung hot sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan, Ar. Tissue, Ar. Thank you. Ito, Ar.
Wala ito siguro sa beer dito. Hindi hot sauce.
Oh, hot sauce. Hey, fine.
Mga pagkain na kaya may hot sauce talaga.
Hindi pwedeng walang hot sauce. Yeah.
It says Purple Route.
Oh, what's that?
West Valley, East Valley.
Oh, the green one. Yeah, the green one.
Wait, the green one?
Yeah. It's a green one, right?
Purple.
Oh, yeah, purple.
The green one?
The green. You know, in the Philippines?
You know you have a video on
Yeah, I forgot.
Weekend, I can't. Is it? Oh, tayo, doon tayo.
Makabalik ka. Mars! There!
Right there. It's open. Open. Yeah. Yan dito. Yan. Diyan sa lower. Lower. You okay, boy? He fall asleep. That's a good nap. I wanna fall asleep too. Wanna take a nap. Sabi, Mami, umutot ka pa! Inututan mo si Jeng! Ano yun, hindi mo na kayang tiisin? He can't hold it no more. Like, ah, fuck this. He said, fuck this. Okay. Let it go. Let it go. Ako, nice, bro. Good job. Nice one. Yan kanina, nadala natin.
Kaya kita ko walang parkingan eh.
Aha. Mabuti na isip mo pare ko eh.
Hindi, nakita ko kasi yung bus nakalagay, free shuttle.
Free shuttle. Oo. Grabe ang taas oh. Eh,
I want to skydive.
taas. Siguro dito may ano. Yan, lawak. Siguro dito may tarsier. Mag-ano ka ng tarsier dito, mabubuhay. Diyan.
Hindi ba rin mag-inis ang pressure sa po eh.
Yun nga eh. Wow! Linaw. Walang isda, no? Yeah. Look. Look. Ha? Meron. Dito na kami guys, papunta na kami sa Lower Yosemite Falls.
Patay drive na lang tayo.
And then lakad ng 30 minutes. 20 minutes, 15 minutes lang yung lakad.
The bus.
Yeah.
One people there.
Wee! Wee wee wee.
Wala na akong vlog.
Yeah, wala na. Oh, you know what? I lost too, so we're just gonna go here.
Flip a
Follow
coin.
me.
Flip a coin.
Flip a coin. Whoever gonna follow me? Not. Crickets. May ano pala dito, restroom. Magkano naman tayo? Make sure.
Eh kung 15 minutes lang o kahit
Maganda.
magkita tayo rito mga 30 minutes, picture. Sulit.
Ang ganda dito guys pumunta.
Camping masarap dito.
Camping no. Ang ganda mga camping no.
Next time we come here camping.
Yeah, camping tayo.
Kahit yung 2 days lang, 1 night,
Mhm.
para yung makapasyal tayo, maikot natin. Ang daming pwedeng puntahan eh.
Tsaka mag-bus na lang.
Yeah, bus.
Mag-park ka na tapos mag-bus ka na lang.
Yeah.
Gusto mong ikutin kasi nga parang
yung parkingan.
mahirap yung parking spot pag drive ka ng drive.
Tingnan mo. Hello Maricel. Hello my wife. Apo wang ud.
Bakit mayroon ka ng tungkod?
Apo tongkod.
Ang ganda dito, no? Wow.
Naalala mo parang yung pinuntahan natin dati?
Oh.
Big tree.
Oh yeah, big trees. Parang ganito rin.
Parang ganito, di ba?
Oh, parang ganito rin.
Wala lang siyang falls.
Come on, we're here. We almost there, guys. Ha? Meron. Naririnig ko na nga eh. Nasama sila ano? Nandun pa sila? Antayin natin.
Dad, you know not to get that big.
Yeah. Kuya, the mountain right there, Kuya, is legendary.
Oh really, Dad? Oh really?
Yeah, it's legendary, Kuya. Ha, mami? Where is your toys? Put it there. And the trees. Yeah.
My bag already. I'm too tired.
Yeah.
I am right there. Kyrie, I'm right there. See?
I see you.
I'm gonna put.
Yosemite
And then go
Falls
right
area.
here.
I'm gonna climb that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my toy.
Ano, kaya pa?
Ate, look, the perfect stick.
Baka nakawin daw eh. Mami, malamig ba yan? Yung tubig? Painom ha? Upo mo na dito.
Wala.
Antay-mantayin mo na sila.
Pag ito walang tubig to, puta magwawala talaga ako. Is it autumn?
Tignan mo na. Yung tubig pare ko.
Parang walang tubig eh.
Parang walang tubig. Niloko tayo dito ah.
Kung may tubig yan, dapat dito pa lang naririnig mo na eh.
Oo. Tsaka basa itong mga tao to, no? Maliligo yung mga tao dito. Ay, baka meron siguro. Kasi kanina ba yung mga basa eh, na bumalik eh. Oo.
Baka may dalang balde yun, naligo lang doon. Ang sarap dito kahit na mainit yung hangin.
Yung hangin. Kasi dahing kahoy eh.
Hindi siya mainit eh.
Mm.
Pero ang ano ngayon, 80 something, 90,
Oh yeah, 88 yata eh. O 90.
90,
90?
82,
82?
82.
Wow.
Ang location.
Eh.
I'm skating down on the water. Where's the real water? Where's the mountain water?
Sorry.
May tumatay yata.
Kaya nga eh. Maya.
Titirahan yun yun.
Meron na nga no.
Titirahan pa yata lang.
Yeah.
Agad lang.
Yeah.
Yan na agad.
Meron nga nagkitago dun.
May pasok ka mamaya.
Bukas.
Ano oras?
Late pa naman, alas 6.
Oh, sige, okay lang.
Oo,
Kala ko
alas
alas
6.
12 pa eh.
Yeah.
Yung alas 6, okay lang. Ang iniisip ni Yuli yung pababa eh.
Ah.
Hindi yun nakakatakot kasi nasa gilid ka ng ano, may
Mm.
nakaharap.
Nakaduyid yan ng mountain.
Oo,
Hindi yung katulad kanina, nasa
Bahay,
ano
diba?
ka, baliktad
sa
eh.
gilid.
Yan ang nakakatakot eh.
Isipin mo inaakit kayong truck dyan pare.
Putik na yun nga yung kanina, siko yun eh.
Siko yun.
Oo, hirap nun, hindi mo makita yung aparating.
5 miles per hour nga takbo ko dyan.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ka naman yung paahon na yun, hindi ka makaka 10 miles, 15 miles doon. Lalo pat kargado ka,
Kargado.
80,000 pounds yung karga mo.
Yeah. Grabe nga dito, no? Ayun, siguro may tubig dito pare, pag ano.
Meron yan.
Kasi may ano siya, oh.
Hanggang dito tubig.
Mm.
Ayun oh, malapit na tayo.
Malapit na? Oh yan, nandyan na. Dito na, ito na yun, oh.
Pero andun, bakit walang tubig?
Ay, ito na yun eh. Ito,
Kaya nga,
yan na.
where's the water?
Walang tubig.
Niloloko tayo dito.
Mhm.
So yung upper,
Sa taas yan. Mhm.
ayan na yun, pares.
Yeah. Shit, ano? Walang tubig, man. Oh, shit. Walang tubig, oh. Yan, oh.
Dangerous area? Go water.
Mhm.
Go water.
Walang tubig.
Did you picture on your phone?
Huh?
Take a picture on your phone.
Yeah.
That's me.
I want to walk on that.
You won't.
Look at them. They're gonna go all
Yeah.
up there.
Mhm.
No.
Ayun, may umakit oh. Mga kumag.
Are those kids right there?
Stand up eh.
Ito mo, mga umakit doon mga
Or just take a picture of it.
Pag may bumagsak na bato dyan,
Higher.
yari yan, patay yan.
Like that, yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's good. Thank you, Dad. Was that a squirrel? Look, people climbing it.
Mhm.
That means we should go climb.
So what the heck? Look at the squirrel. Chipmunk.
Ayun, ang dami tao rin.
Ang dami ng tao dun sa ano.
Delikado yan.
Tamo
pare.
tae.
Biglang may bumagsak.
May bumagsak na bato, no? Shit. Patay siguro pare, no?
They're gonna fall. No.
Ang problema dyan, biglang may bumuhos na tubig. No?
Oh, shit. Yeah, biglang ano, no? Nagka-landslide.
Oh. Tapos yung dalawang yung umakit na ipit doon, na
Mm.
stuck doon.
Mm.
Patay yan.
Wow.
Wow, Dad. Would you climb that for
Ala,
$100?
ano, El Nino, te. Tuyong tuyo, oh, walang tubig.
Ang tubig yan, diyan galing dun eh. Yan, ito eh.
There's no water, ah. It's, oh, yan na yun eh, yung lower part.
Would you climb that?
No, I don't wanna climb there.
No, that one's danger.
What if water comes down and then we fall?
Yeah, you're dead.
Yeah.
Why
Look
is there
at-
green
Look at the
there?
two guys right there.
Yeah, they're so high. Why is there trees there? I thought there's water.
Delikado yan.
Nagado, no?
Konting bato lang.
Dito na kami guys, pero ano, walang tubig.
Yeah. Huwag kayong pupunta rito
Ano?
ng... Ano ba ngayon? August?
Dry August.
Yeah. August na kayo.
Speeding mo pa, may water.
Walang tubig. There's no water.
Now you know, don't come here August.
Yeah,
Yeah, come in spring.
spring is the best month to go here. Tagtuyot,
Tagtuyot.
El Nino.
But it's okay, at least. Alam na natin.
Punta talaga doon na ano.
Yeah, I'll be gonna
Boom!
Hello guys.
Walang tubig. Sabi mo, ba't walang tubig dyan?
Wala
Ubos.
tubig kasi ano, tagtuyot. El Nino.
Kinuha.
Walang yelo sa taas.
Yeah.
I drink it all, sorry.
So there's no water.
There's water down there,
Sensi.
Dad.
If you
I
use
drink
your
all of it.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
That's why I pee a lot.
Alright guys. Ready?
Ready? Put some water. Let's go. Let's do this.
Pwede. Picture tayo lahat.
Yeah, pwede rin. Doon, pa-picture doon, no?
If you use your imagination, like if you look hard enough, you can see the evaporation of our sweat.
Yeah. Let's go, pa-picture tayo lahat. Alright, let's go. Take a picture here. There. Let's go. Picture tayo dito. Daming, ano, doon. Doon, daming, ano, lalaking bato, no? Ang laki ng bato. Tulay doon. Swerte.
Saan ba? Dito?
Saan ba tayo? Saan ba tayo?
Oh, kanya-kanya ba to?
Nasaan na sila? Nasaan na sila? Nasaan sila, ano?
Clyde!
Clyde, Kyrie.
Right here.
Oh. Clyde. Nasaan si ate mo? Si tita mo?
Dali, Chansey, go!
Mame. Dito. Pa-picture tayo.
1,
Dito.
2, and 3. Oh, go! Punta kayo, dali. Picture na namin.
Let's go now. Picture, guys.
Tara, lahat tayo.
Lahat.
Nasa si Utol mo? Julie.
Asan si Ate Kat? Nakapwesto na
Let's go. Let's go. Mame.
Dali, go!
Ko.
Labunod plan muna, labunod plan.
Dito.
Labunod plan muna. Yeah, kita, malawak na eh.
Let's go.
I wanna go on the big stick.
Clyde, go that side, guys.
Man.
Go that side, guys.
Right here.
Kyrie!
Dito mo, Mark.
Ay, baba ka pa rin. Yeah, 1. Kyrie, smile. 1, 2, and 3. One more.
Kita ba?
Yeah, oh, kita. 1, 2, and 3. Wow.
Thank you.
Kaya naman, pre. Dito ka.
Ikaw naman, saka si Maricel, pare ko eh.
Mas gusto ko doon kami.
Kuya kami ni Jay.
Okay.
Tara, dala tayo.
Woo. Eh, Kyrie.
Maganda siguro ko kami.
Look at them. How'd they go all the way up there?
Mame, ganyan ka lang, tingin ka lang kunwari doon. Parang wala lang. Mame,
But go on this
1, 2. Tingin ko tayo kung ano dun.
Oh wait, let me get a water bottle.
1, 2. Yeah. Okay.
Look, right here. Okay, let's stay.
Yeah, right mine right here, kuya.
Yung mga umakyat doon, no?
Mhm.
Hey, give me something to write.
Walang tubig. No. Agua. Yeah.
Water right there so little.
Wide mark. And lumber tycoon.
Ano? 1, 2.
The zoo.
1, 2.
Baby.
Yan, dalawa kayo.
Parang ano Parang bago lang
Ah. Ayos, walang tubig. Ang ganda sana kung, yeah. Gandang bumalik
next time,
dito.
magandang pumunta rito pag
Spring.
tapos camping.
Yeah, camping.
Kasi spring, hindi pa naman masyado.
We're still stuck here. It's day 20. It's over. And we have no food, no water. So tired. My phone's dead.
Walang tubig.
We have tubig actually.
No, wala.
We have lots of
Walang tubig.
He's lying to you. He's gonna content farm.
Walang tubig. Walang tubig. Ha?
Buti di umiyak si Ilo eh.
Yeah, walang tubig. Maganda sila pumunta dito, ano, no?
The water over there.
Spring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they don't have drinking water.
There's water, Dad, but it's like a little bit.
Yeah, pero wala talagang water sa falls. Maganda
pa
pag
yung kanina.
may water sa falls.
Mas maganda pa yung kanina.
Maganda dito pumunta, guys, na ano. Narinig nila yon. I don't think so.
Mom,